Hello guys and welcome. My name is Rex and I know if you are here you want to know how to make sales with Clickbank and make money with Clickbank. So my name is Rex, this is me here. So let me show you some results that I've been getting with Clickbank. These are some screenshots of my dashboard, my sales. You can see my nickname here. There's just some few up to $226 per week, sometimes more. This is more results up to $180 in one day, $180, $135 and more. There's just some. You can see my nickname is these are my results, so I'm getting results with these methods. This is one of my students from Fiverr. You can see has been getting results. So I use your Clickbank method, your Clickbank for 1 month and got 4 sales. So a lot of people are getting results with these same methods. These are some more results. See some more results, $167 in one day, and this is more Clickbank sales. So let me show you live uh some live results in my Clickbank account. These are some sales that I made, some are sales of today. So if I click on the go button to see more results, you can see that I've made over $1,979 with Clickbank so far within this dead range on Clickbank, and you can see different products that I have been promoting. And this is my dashboard. Let me see. So it's just the beginning. In the morning. I've not made any sale yet today, but yesterday I made up to $161 in one day, and I've been making sales most of the days. I've been making at least one sale, so I'm trying to keep it consistent to make sales every day. And one of the methods that I'm using is Instagram influencers. So Instagram influencers are people that have a large following on Instagram that you can use them to promote your Clickbank products. For example, let me see like these are one of Instagram profile. You can see this person is promoting the keto diet, a Clickbank product, as you can see. So it's promoting it through Instagram. So they pay this influencer to promote their product. Like if I click on this link, it will take me to a Clickbank product. As you can see guys, he's promoting this keto resource. You can see Clickbank here. This is a Clickbank product, and I'm sure that it's making a lot of sales with this Clickbank product alone. These are others that are promoting the same way through Clickbank, promoting Clickbank products through Instagram. So guys, people are making a lot of money with Instagram influencers and Clickbank products. For example, if I copy this link and put a plus in front of it, if I put a plus in front of it to see the amount of clicks that this link alone I've gotten, let me see. You can see guys, this link alone has had over 3,847 clicks alone, and today up to 56 clicks. And these guys are making a lot of money with Instagram influencers. So that's one of my methods that I use. So there are websites that you can get Instagram influencers like Shoutcard. If you go to shoutcard.com, then you can, let me go to shoutcard.com. Yes, like shoutcard.com, then just create a free account. Then you can browse influencers to see which I can see the different Instagram influencers that you can use to promote your Clickbank products. For example, let me search fitness. You can see there are many different influencers on on Instagram that you can promote your link, like depending on the product you're promoting. Like this for fitness, you're promoting a Clickbank product like the keto diet or flat belly fix, lean belly breakthrough. As you can see, this person has up to 1.3 million followers, and you can pay this person some money to put your link in their bio and a shout out that will send people to your bio, will send people to your Clickbank products. So you can pay $75 for 2 hours, 12 hours shout out, it's $5 and more. So you can just get started. You can first start with a 12-hour shout out to test if you'll be getting sales or it's a good influencer that you can start making sales with it. This is just an easy method you can that you can use now and get started with and start having some Clickbank sales, because this has a lot of sales from 1.3 million influencers, from 1.3 million followers. You can get a lot of sales using this method. And you can see, guys, that is it. People are making a lot of money only through Instagram alone. As you can check out these different profiles to see what I'm talking about. This one, you can see this is an affiliate link promoting a weight loss product. These are some more: the keto challenge, the keto weight loss. You click this link, you take you to a Clickbank product, and so on. So this is just one method that you can get started today and use it to make sales, and people are making a lot of sales with it. I've tried it myself and I've made sales with it. So that is it, guys. So if you want to get started and making sales fast with Clickbank, for me, I recommend you get my training, the training that I use. You have to invest on yourself to get the right training so that you can know exactly what to do and not waste money on traffic that does not convert. For me, I recommend that you should get started with the Clickbank University. Clickbank University is a training program made by Clickbank itself, by one of the top vendor and affiliates from Clickbank. As you can see, Justin and Adam. I've taken the training myself and it's really good. So I really recommend that you want to get started. You get started with the Clickbank University, and it's only $47 for you to get started. So I recommend that you invest little money on yourself to get started with this, and that's it, guys. And if you buy through my link, I'll make a commission from the sale. So I'll also provide you a lot of bonuses. Plus, you can contact me through my links below, through Skype, Facebook, and ask me any question, and I'll support you. And I also give you more tips, because most of the methods that I'm using is not only from the Clickbank University. I have learned a lot from different courses I bought. So I'll also be giving more tips and be able to answer your questions as it's coming on. Also, I also show you how I'm making money from Fiverr. These are some of my Fiverr earnings. If you can see, up to $4,000 and more. Yes, this is $4,000 selling from Fiverr alone. So I'm making some money too on the side from Fiverr, and you don't need any skills to get started. So, and I'll be sharing more and more bonuses later. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, you can press the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the Clickbank. See you in inside Clickbank University. If you get the Clickbank University through my link, all you have to do is contact me here or through Facebook with a small screenshot of your receipt. Then I will send you your bonuses, and you can ask me any question that you need, that you don't understand, anything about Clickbank that you don't understand. And thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next video.